Hello again, and thank you for joining me and Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, Jenny's not here at the moment. She's having a beauty treatment done, bit of a manicure and having her hair done. But she'll be back a little bit later on. But not really an update. It's just I've just got a new project now for the spring and summer, and this is all done out here now. This table and chairs will be going. The wife wants some sort of sofa thing. I'll leave that to her. But my neighbour's done the floor nicely with this Indian sandstone. So it's quite nice to be down here in the summer. I've got rid of the old metal shed. My neighbour that's just done this, he wanted that. He's got lots of things to store. And I've just done another little shed where I'm planning on stripping this latest project down and then putting the bits in there along with some of the garden stuff out of the way so it doesn't get in the way in the shed. So I'll just quickly show you the little shed. It doesn't really matter, and I'll just show you what I picked up yesterday. Well, there we go. This is the new smaller shed. Finally finished it. Took a couple of days and then another day for paint, but I'm hoping to put some of the spares, well, not spares, but the parts and things when I strip down the scooter out of the way. The water butt is almost ready to be joined up. I've got to get some guttering done. Mainly DIY stuff now. This is the best day I've got, so really just to show you. Tomorrow is a good day. The wife wants me to put white doors on, so I've got 3 doors. Hopefully I can get 1 or 2 done tomorrow. So I just thought I'd just do this today. It's a bit of a cold, windy, nothing day, but come and have a look at the new project. Well, here we are. It's a 1964 NSU Quickly S23. The other variation was the S2, which had the double seat for a pillion. But yeah, you probably think, oh my god, what a state. Well, I've had worse, put it that way. I've always wanted to do an NSU Quickly. This is the ones with the 23-inch wheels. I got it for £450, which not too bad considering it is registered. I've got the logbook and everything. So I'll tell you the plans really. I'm going to try and do a little bit of stripping down today. This is mainly going to be for spring really. Obviously it might need a new exhaust pipe perhaps, but everything is available pretty much at a cost with NSU, but some things I can get from other companies like the cables and that, about £5 or so. But the exhaust, which obviously has had it, about £80, nice new chrome exhaust. My other plans are to take off the, finally get down to just the frame, and I'll get that stripped by my friend who does powder coating. He'll sandblast it, and then I'm going to get that frame put into powder coat. But in the meantime, it takes quite a time anyway, but we won't be doing it just yet. In the meantime, I'll be trying to make these look nice, sand these down, and it's sort of like a cream, almost off-white. It's a creamy colour. The tank is not too bad. There's a slight dent there. I should be able to do something with that. I haven't looked inside yet. I don't. And I've got new stickers coming for this. So they say that beauty is skin deep, but then someone did say on Facebook yesterday, ugly is down to the bone. But I've always wanted to do one of these, but when I was looking at the pictures, the sort of speedo unit here with the headlight, these are the ones with the oval headlights. I didn't really see, I just bought it as it was, but I thought this was broken. I didn't, on the other side it was, I thought, oh, it's broken, but these are about £180, so they're remade ones obviously, but yeah, £180, which I haven't got to pay for now. And then I didn't think it had the badge on the front, the NSU Quickly badge, which lucky enough it has, so that can be polished up. We can redo that red and then sand that off, make that look nice. They're about £25, so I've saved quite a bit of money. The tyres is also on the list, but they're holding air and they don't look bad. The wheels, we're obviously going to have to I'll probably end up painting them. All this will be sanded down, so all this will be sandblasted. and but it's all pretty solid. It's very good sort of German engineering. So I don't know too much about them really. I'm studying it as we speak, you know, but I don't know how many gears this has got either. It's 2 or 3. You change this is the clutch cable, which feels like it's working. I mean, all this here is a sort of alloy. This will all clean up nicely, I think. Sand that down, powder coat it. So it's just all surface rust. It's quite solid. But yeah, I'm hoping to turn this one around. I was going to buy one, maybe about 1700 quid I saw on eBay, pretty much complete, different model. But I thought, well, yeah, that'd be nice. You could just get on it and ride it. But then the whole purpose of this channel is restoration. So I thought, well, buy one cheap, invest a little bit into it, and get this one back on the road. Last time it was on the road is the road tax, 1983. So it's been off the road a long time. Other little things that I couldn't see in the photo when I bought it, there was only 2 photographs, was I thought this pipe was missing here, this little rubber pipe, where the air filter is actually inside the frame there, and goes into this Bing carburettor. It is okay. I might be able to get a new one, but I was at about £20 again on the website for NSU. But I found this particular website where they do the cables as well. It's about £5, so I'll probably just renew that rather than paying that sort of price. So there's all sorts of things I can do with this. As I say, it's yeah, it's my wife would say, what a wreck. Well, it is at the moment, but this is the whole purpose. We're turning this around and make it into something looking nice, more than hopefully an ornament. So I'm probably going to do a little bit of stripping down today, and then we'll call it a day. So I should be going part-time in the next couple of weeks. So I'm back for another 6 days, hopefully the last of 6 days in a row. But should be able to go stripping down and see how rusty these bolts are. Right, I think what we do, we'll get the tank off first, which looks like that bracket might have broken a bit there, so that might need a bit of welding as well. So see if we can get these bolts out. I don't think it's going to be that easy, but they're 10mm, so we'll give it a quick go. Let's see if we can get it done. Well, that's all right. I've got some WD-40 on there already. I think it's just another bolt the other side. Bear with me, I'll get this bolt out. No, well that was actually it, those 2 bolts, and then I believe this has to slide under there, and there's a, that's why it was loose, because it wasn't slid under there. And this came out as well. There's also this, which you can buy, but hopefully we can keep that one now. And that's just a block that goes in there to, well, like that I think, just to protect it. So that's it, that's the petrol tank off. And there's some more. Oh, we've got some more little blocks each side here, which it's not actually rotten, that's good. And these actually screw into there. I don't know if that's going to be the right screws, because that's got to go, I don't know. Okay, never mind, we'll look into it. I don't know what this bracket's for. It's all new to me, but right, we'll keep that out of the way. Right, I think next we'll take off this manky old exhaust. This is just dirt. These are about 20 something, I think, the new bracket. But we'll see, because if I'm doing a whole new chrome unit. We'll see, maybe we'll get a new bracket, but let's just get this horrible exhaust off if I can. No, that's gonna not work. I'll put WD-40 on it, but I think that is well and truly stuck on there. I'll try a bit of heat for now. Yeah, bit of heat, that's done it now. I think we may have to go down the old new bracket line there, because it won't be worth powder coating if it's on the exhaust. So pretty much all these spares are available, but at a cost. Okay. There we go. That's it off. What else have we got here? I don't. Yeah, oh, should be able to get it off. Hopefully, we'll see. So there we go, that's off. I just had a phone call. Jenny girl's ready for picking up now, so I'll go and get her from her pampering and beauty treatment, and we'll come back and do a little bit more. Well, Jenny's back now, we'll see her in a minute. Right, I've been looking at some of these different things like these brackets. I'm not sure what they're for. If anyone does have one of these, perhaps they could tell me what it is. It could well possibly be a leg guard was on there before, but also other things like down here you think, oh god, there's a hole, rust, but it's not, it's just a hole that's built in there. I'm just going to try and get this off. I'm not going to do too much today, so we've got other things to do, like get the Persia done next time, do its belt, but I just thought we'll have a little go today and just see what we can get off. The other thing I've done is the tank, so with that dent in the side there, but it is very rusty in there, which you'd expect, but we could have sorted that out. But what I'm going to do, I've managed to get one exactly the same, quite rare, on eBay for £50, and it's in its proper cream colour as well. Not that I'll be painting it anyway, but it's much better condition with a couple of little dents, but not on the crease line, so we should be able to feel those. So I'm just going to try and get these off. I did try with a normal screwdriver, but it's they're well wedged in there, so yeah, these are well and truly in. Let's see, a bit more. I've got to come around that side, hold it better. I'll put WD-40 on there, but there we go. That's a waste of time. There's a nut the other side, which obviously easier to get to with the mudguard off, which is to get the mudguard off anyway when we get the wheel off. But look, that's snapped as well. But I'm sure I can get another. Well, they do new ones of these, God knows how much, but I'll have to do that, wouldn't I? As I say, I have saved some money with different things, so yeah, the odd thing like this doesn't matter. Some new bolts and stuff. But I say we'll leave it for now. It was only just to show you this, and we'll have a little bit of a strip down, and we'll come back to it later on. Here we are inside. She's tired because she's been out for a walk this morning and been to the groomers. So she'll be out in the garden a bit later on. As I say, it was just a little show you what we've got for a new project, and just a little bit of a strip down. Lots to do, but as I say, next time we'll probably be back to the Persia Django. I need to get the belt done on there. So at least we've got something for the spring, summer hopefully, and see how we get on with that. So until the next time, you take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.